A blessed morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 8, verse 13 to 19. And it came to pass in the 601st year, in the first month of the first day of the month, the water were dried up from off the earth, and Noah removed the covering of the ark, and look, and behold, the face of the ground was dry. And in the second month of the seventh and 20th day of the month was the earth dried. And God spake unto Noah, saying, Go forth of the ark, thou and thy wife and sons and thy sons' wives with thee. Bring forth with thee every living thing that is with thee, of all flesh, both of fowls and of cattle, and of every creeping things that creepeth upon the earth, that they may breed abundantly in the earth, and be fruitful and multiply upon the earth. And Noah went forth, and his sons and his wife, and his sons' wives with him, every beast and every creeping things, and every fowl whatsoever creepeth upon the earth, after their kind, went forth out of the ark. So this is the time that God already restored the order of things, wherein the children of God were the caretakers of this planet. So after the trials, here comes the reward.